today I thought it would be nice to show you one of my favorite hairstyles for running to the gym. First step, separate your hair into 2 sections. I like to do things that still allow my hair to be down because sometimes it can hurt or get loose really easily if I pull everything up on top of my head. So this is just something that I like to do to keep my hair down but still out of my face. So once I have it in 2 sections, I am going to I probably would leave a couple strands down here just to add a little more life, and maybe just for kicks right now I will. So I'm going to take this and separate it into 2 sections, and then I'm going to rotate both strands away from my face. So twisting away and away, unravel your fingers as you go, and continue twisting in the same direction away from your face. Both strands go away, so you're going the same direction with each one. And then keep that going and going until you've gone as far as you'd like. Then you take this back strand, pull it to the front, and then the back strand goes around to the front. So you are rotating them in opposite directions of you twisting. So I twisted away from my face, so now I am going to twist towards my face as I wrap the 2 strands together. Hopefully that makes sense. So you're bringing the back to the front since we've already twisted from the front to the back. So hopefully that is translating and making sense as we go along. And if you do not do that opposite pattern where the front is going to the back and then the back comes to the front for the next section, then you will not have a braid that stays together. All right, at this point, I'm just pulling a few strands out, loosening the top a little bit more, and of course tying off the bottom here with just a thin elastic. And then if you want to just rock them tight, you can. If you're going to the gym, it makes sense to keep them tight. If you are going to be wearing this out and about in a summer activity and you kind of want to play around with some other, I don't know, fun tricks with it, you can pull on some of these strands and loosen them out and make it kind of funky looking, which I actually love to do. Make sure you're hanging on to the end though as you start pulling, and only pull small sections at a time. You don't want to yank the whole braid out, otherwise you won't keep the integrity of your braid. You'll end up with just loosening everything. So you want to make sure that you keep some things tight and you just pull small strands at a time. Just like that. And if this part gets a little crazy on you like it has on me, no worries, just pull it back. You can even tuck it in. Or of course throw a bobby pin in there, because bobby pins can fix everything. I'm just going to repeat the same process on this other side now. Taking both strands away from my face, just pull them away and away and away. Once they are twisted, you can take this back strand, bring it to the front, and you are now starting the rotation in the opposite direction of where you twisted the hairs. So you twisted away from your face, and now you're going to rotate and cross over towards your face. Now I just pull a little bit, get the shape that I want, and of course to match the other side, I'm going to pull these out. But you can also keep them nice and tight. Great for swimming, great for exercise, hiking, anything that you want to do to keep your hair under control. Hold this tight and pull little strands at a time.